Munchkins, what is up? I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Himadri and I do post fashion and makeup related content on my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that. Help me hit 100k soon because I just really want to hit 100k by the end of this year, and for that I will need your help. What you gotta do is just hit the red subscribe button. With that, press the bell icon so you are notified whenever I have a new video up. So in today's video, I will be sharing 6 fashion hacks that has literally changed my life. I know there are a lot of fashion hacks on the internet nowadays, and honestly speaking, most of them don't even work. They are just there for no effing reason. But today, all the hacks that I will be sharing with you, they actually work and I imply them in my day-to-day life. So I just wanted to share this with you all because you are my friends, you are my family, and I just want to make your life a little bit more better and easy. So if you guys are interested and keen to know that what are the hacks, then you should definitely keep on watching. So the first hack, fashion tape. Oh my god, you guys, I cannot even tell you, fashion tapes are a blessing on earth, and when I say you can use this for anything, I mean it. So this is a lingerie tape which is supposed to be used for your body and clothes, and I got this from Amazon. It is decently priced. I will add a link of this product in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. So these are very easy to use, and especially this one, I really like the fact that it comes with a cutter, which makes it very quick and easy to use. I use this for my strappy tops, strappy dresses, bodycon dresses, for my shorts even, and जब भी मेरे कुर्ते होते हैं जो बहुत ढीले हो जाते हैं and उनके आर्म slip करते रहते हैं, I use this for that as well. So you can see it is a multi-purpose product. So what you have to do is stick one side of the tape against your skin and the other side to your cloth, and you are good to go. So you all know there's this one item in your wardrobe that is supposed to be baggy and is very loose on your body. That's when this comes handy. So I have this very pretty cami top which is supposed to be baggy and is really pretty. I got this from Zara, but one thing about this is that when जब भी झुकती हूँ, it's very visible and that's not a cute look. So I use this to secure my top against my skin so it doesn't move. Hack number 2, fold your jeans the proper way. So I have seen a lot of people struggling to get that proper fit from the bottom of your jeans. So just make one fold, join 2 ends and put a bobby pin in between so it is secure. And there you have it, a really nice fitted pair of jeans. Hack number 3, the bracelet hack. If you're like me who doesn't have people around all the time help you wear your jewelries, especially bracelets, I know it can be a task. So a very simple hack that I've seen on the internet that actually works is that take your bobby pin, अपने bracelet के एक end पे डालो, hold it in your hand and just hoop it. That's it. So quick and simple. Now you don't have to depend on anybody. You can wear your bracelet on your own very quickly, and that's the best part. The next hack is the zip hack. If you have a pair of jeans, shorts, skirt, pants maybe, and if it has a zip that doesn't stay up, you can get a keyring, zip it up, अपने button में डालो, and that's it. Now it's not gonna move anywhere and you are safe and secure. The next hack is so cool, everybody. So you guys keep asking Himadri what you do to keep your sleeves up, because I know it gets a little irritating when you're wearing an off-shoulder top and your sleeves just keeps moving around and it's just very difficult to keep your sleeves in one place. So what you can do is take your hairband, something which is not very tight, place it where you want your sleeves to be and tuck it in. And that's it, your sleeve is not going to move anywhere and you can roam around freely without worrying about your sleeves. The last hack is the neat tuck. I am someone who loves tucking my shirts, t-shirts in my skirts, shorts, jeans, like whatever. I love doing that because I think it complements my body type a lot. And what I always didn't like was this weird bulge which did not look nice and attractive. So I found the perfect hack. Start by tucking one side of your shirt and then tuck the other side, and then pull your shirt a little up like a mushroom, and it gives such a smooth look. And that's it, everybody. These are 6 fashion hacks that I imply on a day-to-day basis, and trust me, they work wonderfully. Try these out. Let me know if it worked for you. Also share some of your fashion hacks in the comments down below. I would love to know that. And that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you did, give this a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye! Mwah.